Hey guys, let's explore the freedom and fluidity of watercolors through this simple and beautiful dreamy watercolor flower painting. My name is Priyanka and a warm welcome to you on my channel. I start with putting a little crimson lake red on the watercolor paper and spread it loosely with a clean wet brush. This will form the background layer for the flowers, hence it needs to be the lightest. Then I take some more red, and as the background layer is wet, it starts to spread nicely. I further spread it in the desired shape and put some vermilion hue red at the bottom. This will be the second layer of the flower. For the moment, I will leave it like this and begin with my second dreamy flower. So, crimson lake red as the first layer, and then applying vermilion hue and letting it spread. Now enhancing the first flower with the same pigment. Now we have to apply some dark pigment at the base of the flower. So I'm taking purple, which is already ready with me. You can enhance the layer by taking out some pigment with a clean wet brush. This on drying will look very nice and will make the layer look more prominent. The same way I start with the third flower. I'm using the same pigments, but if you wish, you can choose different pigments for each flower. As the paper absorbs the pigment, the layers begin to look lighter. So you can darken them by applying more pigment at the base and spreading them. This will also create more layers and enhance the look of the flowers. Here I'm using a 25% cotton cold pressed watercolor paper. You can also use 100% cotton paper. There will be more absorbency in the paper and the results will be very encouraging. Let me plan my next tutorial and show the difference in the results when using these two different kinds of watercolor papers. So as the layers dry, I put more pigment and create more layers. I'm only creating 2 to 3 layers here. You can increase the layers for more depth in your flowers. As for the darker pigment, I've used purple as it was already ready with me. You can use any darker shade here, like browns or dark blue or even black. Now let's come to the dreamy stems and do some flowy freehand work on them. In the end, I will enhance the painting with some splashes of purple, red and golden. So guys, our simple dreamy florals are ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. In case you like it, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, stay safe, keep happy, goodbye.